myself I got 3 different transactions, and that's all I was doing.
The whole buggy's already backed up. Nothing's paid for. This is all that's paid from the buggy. She's attending to leave with the buggy. So they told her she has to pay for everything. She's making a big scene out of it.
So for the record, she only paid for 1 item.
It's not even paid. This is a suspended receipt. She's been making a big scene. That's trespassing. This is not.
On July 2nd, 2023, deputies responded to a grocery store on a shoplifting complaint. Store employees alleged the subject had placed a full cart of merchandise on the conveyor, completed payment for only 1 item through a suspended transaction scheme, and was attempting to leave with the remainder, a total exceeding $100 in unpaid goods.
I'm paying myself. I got 3 different transactions, and that's all I was doing. 3 different transactions. I'm paying for myself. Why the f that I got a mother amen to a bitch? Why I got to do that? And I'm paying for my shit.
What do you mean amen?
Him.
Okay.
I'm paying for my stuff. 3 different transactions. Bitch, I got money. Bitch, I ain't worried about that. But I'm just saying I'm paying for my stuff. That's all I'm doing. I got 3 different transactions, so I'm paying for my stuff, and that's all I was doing.
All right. Where's the stuff at?
Over there.
Say she paid for it. The whole buggy's already backed up. Nothing's paid for. This is all that's paid from the buggy. She's attending to leave with the buggy. So they told her she has to pay for everything. She's making a big scene out of it.
So for the record, she only paid for 1 item.
It's not even paid. This is a suspended receipt.
A suspended transaction?
Yes.
But she's saying that she paid for it.
Yes.
So she's trying to scam.
Yes. So I'm gonna pay for each transaction individually 1 by 1.
No, you don't.
No. So like I said, she's been making a big scene. That's trespassing. This is not the first time we had this incident with her.
And they suspended my transaction, and I'm paying for it.
Okay. All right. What's your name, honey? You got your ID with you?
Don't worry about my ID. I just want my shit. You know what?
Okay.
That can keep that shit.
Okay. Listen to me.
Don't worry about my ID. Don't worry about the motherfucking thing.
Okay. Listen.
That's it. That's it.
Listen.
Just go.
Am I being disrespectful with you?
Cause this shit don't make me mad.
I understand.
And I want to hit some motherfucking body right now. And I don't like that. No, I ain't gonna hit the police. Cause y'all ain't gonna take me to jail. Y'all kiss my ass on everything I love.
Suspended transaction. She didn't pay for her items.
Right, and I'm
speaking to him, so give me 1 second. Relax. Relax. She was gonna try to do 1 by 1 individual on the items, but you had the whole cart full, ready to walk out. So manager just wants to not prosecute, but wants to go ahead and trespass. So that's what is that? So for today, we're gonna grab your ID. We're gonna get your information.
Come back when this tomorrow.
You're not. If you come back tomorrow.
I'm coming back when this tomorrow.
Perfectly. That's fine.
And y'all ain't get my ID either.
Okay, well now you're gonna go to jail then for obstruction because you're not giving me your ID. Nope. Okay. Okay.
So you gonna take me to jail?
You want to go to jail or you want to go home?
I'm going home.
Then give me the ID.
Stop playing games.
Give me the ID or you go
Stop
home.
playing games. Stop playing games or you're gonna get
Let go my
resisted
hand
as well.
because I will get it to you.
Okay. Get the ID.
Well, let go my hand. Don't hold my motherfucking hand.
Okay. Give me the ID because
So
I'm not
what?
playing games. I'm not playing.
ID now. ID now, or you're gonna get a resisting. You're gonna get a resisting charge.
Go with the ID. Go with the ID. Go with the ID.
So you can avoid all this ID.
Can you get the ID? Because I'm
Give me a minute.
Well, hurry
Let
up.
me go on my way.
Hurry up, get the ID.
Wrong with an ugly ass piece. Cause I ain't going no jail.
Okay. Give me the ID.
Just give me a minute. Let me find it. Can you give me a minute to find it?
Just give me your name. It's a lot easier. Give me
No,
your name.
I'm gonna give you my ID.
You're about to go to jail. I'm not
I ain't
playing
gonna.
with you. Okay. You are gonna go to jail if you keep playing with me. Because my patience is running very thin.
And my
Okay? So give me your name, or you got 2 minutes to get me the ID.
Give me a minute. Let me find it.
You got about 1 minute left.
Well, you gotta wait a minute.
What's your name?
That's the you go my right here.
Thank you. How hard was that?
Ugly, real big. Bitch, I'm paying for my shit. Bitch, I don't have to come down there and steal all these bitches that come in here and steal and take shit.
13 out of 43. Take a deal.
I don't have no warrants, no nothing.
I really don't.
I'm all the way moving.
1, 2,
So you want to hold that? Let me go down here.
703.
You're not free to go. You're not free to go. Okay? You're not free to go. As soon as he's done with that, then you can leave. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you.
Why I want to talk to you?
I'm talking to you.
I don't want to talk to you.
You can't go nowhere just
I
yet.
can go where the fuck I want to
Go ahead. Go ahead, and you go straight to jail. Go ahead.
I ain't going
Walk.
to jail. I got to
Go ahead. Walk. Go ahead.
Man.
Go ahead. Walk.
I'm fucking him. Ain't no words, no nothing. I'm good.
Exactly what I thought.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. No wrong with you, bitch. I'm good. I ain't scared of y'all. Y'all want me to be scared? I ain't scared. I ain't never scared.
Listen.
By the shame. But you got my ID. Run that shit. Let me go to the store. Let me get what I'm finna get and go home and go to Bravo and get me some more motherfuckers. Win this. This high ass motherfucker. But that can keep that. That can keep that. I go to Bravo and spend my money. Cause I'm good. I know I'm good. Period. Bitch, I'm good.
54.
Man, home.
65.
Yeah, girl. Hello.
51. Go to case number.
Girl, cause he home. Bitch, I'm not motherfucking with this and I'm trying to get my shit and I got 3 different transactions. And this old ugly ass Mr. Bill, big ass bitch. Flipper the bodybuilder, bitch ass. Call the motherfucking police on. Girl, call the police on me, got me out here with these motherfucking police, girl. Bitch, I ain't got no wants, no nothing. Bitch, I'm good. All day, every day. And a bitch cut to take me to jail for what? You kiss my ass. A bitch ain't finna do a thing to me. Yeah, girl, like I'm paying for my stuff. I'm paying for my stuff. Like, I'm paying for my stuff. I can go to Bible and just buy the same shit. I'm paying for my stuff. I'm paying for my stuff. I got 3 different transactions that sale. 3. So I had to use 3 different cars. Like, bitch, I ain't trying to steal and that's all so bitch much as I come in this bitch and spend money. Fuck no bitches. And this old ugly ass Mr. Clifford big ass bitch that standing to the door. Like a bitch motherfucker be scared of him cause he called the motherfucking police like a bitch supposed to be scared. Bitch, I ain't never motherfucking scared about a thing. A bitch got me up. I'm going. That man got my ID. Run that shit. I don't got no warrants, no nothing. I'm good.
Right.
And I'm finna go to the liquor store
manager,
and I'm
right?
finna get me a
Okay,
motherfucking
no want her
bottle.
back here at the establishment, right?
You
No.
bitch.
So you're
And
here to trespass?
you
Fair enough.
up.
No, you're not welcome to be back in the premises.
I don't get no.
Right.
I don't have to
And
go to jail, so
that
this
ain't-
high ass
So you're
motherfucker.
So you're now being trespassed. Hold on.
That includes
You're
the
being
liquor store.
trespassed. So if you come anywhere on this plaza,
That includes the liquor store. The liquor store is part of Winn-Dixie.
Well,
you're going to jail. It doesn't matter. If you come back here anywhere on this property, you're going to jail, okay?
Give me my ID. And this ain't.
All right, that's a case number.
I
You can
don't
do what
need
you
that
want with
shit.
it. You can do
Don't
what you
come to.
All right.
Have a wonderful day.
I don't need that.
Come back and watch where you end
And
up.
I ain't never motherfucking.
Bye. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
You got 2 seconds. Bye.
I'll get a statement from you, and then she'll be trespassed, okay?
The first legal question arising from this encounter is whether deputies had authority to detain the subject and demand identification. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the Supreme Court in 1968, law enforcement may conduct a brief investigative detention based on reasonable articulable suspicion that criminal activity is afoot. A first-hand report from store employees describing an observed attempt to exit with unpaid merchandise satisfies that standard without question. The subject's initial refusal to provide identification placed her in legally precarious territory. In Hibble v. 6th Judicial District Court, decided in 2004, the Supreme Court upheld the constitutionality of stop and identify statutes, ruling that requiring a suspect to state her name during a valid Terry stop does not violate the Fifth Amendment. In states with mandatory identification statutes, that refusal alone constitutes a separate criminal offense. The subject's sustained profane verbal conduct throughout the encounter requires First Amendment analysis. In City of Houston v. Hill, decided in 1987, the Supreme Court held that the First Amendment protects speech critical of police, including profanity, absent a true threat or incitement to imminent lawless action. Verbal abuse directed at officers, however extreme, does not independently satisfy the elements of disorderly conduct under the majority of state statutes, which require an overt act or direct threat of harm. Store management's decision to pursue trespass enforcement rather than shoplifting prosecution has legal significance. Trespass is a valid civil and criminal remedy, but it required deputies to complete a 2-step procedure before any arrest could lawfully occur. Formal verbal notice that the subject's presence was no longer authorized, and a reasonable opportunity to comply. Deputies satisfied both elements. The subject received notice twice. Her continued presence on the property after that notice completed the offense.
Okay. Bye-bye. So, you got your ID with you, man? Oh my God.
She's in that door.
Man, she's serving a piece in the store and everything, man. She needs to be locked up.
Yeah.
No, trust me, she gets in that
Tried
car,
to
she
steal
drives,
over
she's gonna go.
$100-something worth of merchandise, man.
No, of course.
Got in the guy's face and everything. And she's still going on.
Yeah.
You guys gonna allow that?
Give me a second. Give me a second.
If I was to do that, I've been locked up.
Listen, there's a First Amendment right. Freedom of speech, okay?
I think she's gonna go to jail. She's still on the property. She's refusing to leave, still here on the property, causing a disturbance. Let's go. Oh, come on. Come on. We told you to leave. You still
I'm finna go!
Oh, you're still here
No,
complaining.
I'm finna go! We waiting on my sister! I'm
Let's
finna
go.
go!
Let's go.
No,
We're
I'm
done.
finna
We're done.
go!
Out of the car.
No, my sister went in the
Out of the
store!
car, we're gonna pull you out of this car. Out of the car, or I'm gonna pull you out of the car. Let's go. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
I'm finna go!
Let's go. Get out.
Past that. Come on.
Get out of the car.
Come on.
Get out of the car.
Come
Let's
on.
go.
We're way past that.
Let's go.
No, we finna go. Hold on, Chantel. Hold on, Chantel. Hold on, Chantel.
There's no hold on. Let's go.
No, I need my phone.
No.
I'm finna
Okay, now
go.
you're gonna get a charge for resisting. Because you keep resisting and you're done.
No, let me get my wallet.
I'm gonna get anything.
Let me
We're
get my
past
wallet.
it. I got it.
No,
We're past
somebody
it.
get my wallet. Get my. No, you finna break. You done broke my nail.
I don't care about your nails or any of that. We told you to leave and you continue to
I'm
be here.
finna go. My sister
Nope.
is coming. My sister went in the store.
We are done
We
with that.
finna go.
Let's go. Let's go. We are past that. We told you to leave. You're still on the property, yelling and
I'm
screaming,
finna go.
causing a big scene. Nope. For no reason.
Open up the phone.
My sister went in
Oh,
the store.
we're done. Sorry. Get that.
Get my wallet. Get my purse.
Let's go. Have a seat. Have a seat, please.
I'm finna go.
Have a seat. Have a seat, or I'll sit you down. Have a seat. Have a seat, because we're done playing games. Let's go. Sit
I'm
down.
finna go.
Sit down. Or
I'm finna go.
Sit down. Sit down.
And don't move,
Let's
bitch.
go. Sit down.
Sit in there.
I hate them bitches.
Let's go. Sit down. Thank you. It's up. You want to keep her stuff or no? Okay. We're past that because she still refused to leave. We told her walk and leave, get in the car and leave, and you're sitting out here causing a disturbance. I'm done playing games with her, okay? So she's going to be arrested for trespassing from Winn-Dixie, okay? Have a good day.
Can I have my shoe?
Yeah, your shoe's in the front.
That what y'all bitches wanted the motherfucker do. Take me to jail. Y'all been wanting the motherfucker take me to jail with that old flower ass shit. That what y'all bitches wanted to do. That what y'all bitches wanted to do. Flower ass shit. Give me my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe.
I want my motherfucking shoe.
I don't care what you...
I don't give a bitch. Give me my motherfucking shoe. Follow me. Give me my shoe. Give me my shoe. That what y'all bitches want to do. Take me to motherfucking jail. And y'all. And fuck. And I don't have no motherfucking watch. No nothing, bitch. I get no out in the morning. And I'm going to work tomorrow. Y'all. Take this shit the off my motherfucking leg. So wrong with y'all. Bitch, I'm finna leave. I can't stop my sister from going in the store. The wrong with y'all, bitches. Give me my motherfucking shoe so I get no away from y'all. And I'm gonna get out in the morning. In the morning, bitch. Trespassing? Oh, that's nothing. Bitch, I know the law. Bitch, my godmama is a embarrassment punishment. Bitch, I know the law. You need to ride motherfucking faster because I need my motherfucking shoe and I got the piss. Come on, piss all over and shit all over your motherfucking back seat. Bitch. So hurry up and get me the fuck up out this ass shit. I hate you bitches. I hate y'all. I was leaving my sister went in the house though. I can't motherfucker make her hurry up. And she went in the house though. The fuck wrong with you, bitch? I was leaving. I was going home to my resident. I was going home. Hurry the up. Y'all wanted to take me to jail. For what? Cause I'm paying for my shit? Oh, y'all kiss my ass.
You gonna stop?
My feet going to sleep though.
The physical arrest requires analysis under Graham versus Connor, the Supreme Court's 1989 landmark establishing that use of force must be objectively reasonable from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. The court identified three primary factors: the severity of the underlying crime, whether the subject posed an immediate safety threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. Here, the crime was a misdemeanor, no weapon was present, but the subject actively refused commands to exit the vehicle. Direct physical non-compliance that justified the force applied. Deputies receive a B. Their de-escalation posture was consistent and legally disciplined. They correctly declined to arrest for constitutionally protected speech, followed proper trespass notice procedure, and applied proportionate force limited to soft empty hand control. The grade is reduced because the extended delay between the second trespass warning and enforcement unnecessarily prolonged a volatile situation, elevating risk for all parties present. The subject receives a C+. Her First Amendment rights were fully respected. Deputies made no arrest based on verbal expression alone. However, the subject refused identification during a valid Terry stop, returned to trespassed property after 2 explicit warnings, and physically resisted a lawful arrest, each decision compounding her legal exposure. She subsequently pleaded guilty to trespassing and resisting arrest, received a deferred sentence conditioned solely on payment of court costs, failed to satisfy that condition, and as a result had her driver's license suspended. The practical lesson this encounter illustrates is straightforward. A lawful investigative detention carries legal obligations, including, in most jurisdictions, the obligation to identify oneself. Voluntary compliance with that obligation costs nothing. Refusal converts a resolvable encounter into a criminal matter. The subject in this case faced a deferred sentence requiring only court cost payment. Failure to fulfill that minimal obligation produced a driver's license suspension, a consequence entirely of her own making at every stage. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching.